We'll swap out those cables. Gonna be dropping ATV. Dropping ATV, I'm walking it.
Hey, rail land. Hi, once again. Time to
Cody,
say
I'm gonna need
bye.
your help when you are
There's
done with
always
that.
an alpha and an omega, but guess what? The dash is the most important. Enjoy the memories that I brought, and I hope you guys had a wonderful time. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments. Hey, I look forward. Come down south and see me. I got a few months, but at least I will retire in New Orleans where I started my journey. So once again, God bless, and y'all continue looking at the trains. Here we go.
Conductor to head in on Amtrak 5, road for the clear, we depart Fraser, signal the gate zone. Okay, Amtrak number 5, departing Fraser, main track, clear signal. Boys and girls at the ski train, can anybody hear this radio? I think they're off new train. I know, it's Hail Mary. We left some stuff in the laundry list.